So today, boys and girls, we're going to be using our Rate Your Writing tool to help make our writing pieces better. We're going to talk about where we are in our writing, what we're doing well, and what we need to do to make our pieces better. Now everybody, what color do we want to get to? Purple, okay. Who wants to come up and share? Naima? So Naima, where do you think you are in your writing?
I think I'm a blue.
Okay, why do you think you're blue? What are you doing well?
I'm labeling all the parts of a cat and I'm making my pictures match the words.
Excellent job, Naima. Now, Naima, what do you have to do to make your writing piece better?
I can spell, tap out my words better.
Okay, anything else?
I can put more finger spaces.
Excellent job, Naima. You did great. Let me see. Faith, would you like to come up? So, Faith, what did you write about?
I write about peacock.
Okay, so where do you think you are in your writing, Faith?
I think I'm a green.
Okay, what have you done well? What makes you a green?
I did finger spaces. I write my side cuts correctly. My picture matches my words.
Good job. Now, what do you have to do to make your piece better?
Add more labels.
Add more labels. Excellent job, Faith.
Add more words.
And add more words. So let me see if a partnership can come up and help me. What about Alyssa and Huda? Why don't you guys come up? And Huda, bring your writing. So Huda, where do you think you are in your writing?
Yellow and green.
You think you're between yellow and green? Okay. Now what have you done well, Huda?
I made some labels.
You made some labels.
And I just made some finger spaces.
Okay, now Alyssa, take a look at Huda's writing. What else do you think she did well? Excellent job. Now, Huda, what do you need to do to make your writing piece better, to get to that purple?
More words.
Okay. Anything else?
More labels.
Excellent job.
And some more words.
And some more words. Give me a 5, Huda. Give me a 5, Alyssa. You did great.